Today, I am reviewing the MSI Katana 17HX gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with performance, because that's what gamers and creators really care about. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core i9-14900HX, a 14th-generation beast of a processor that features blazing fast clock speeds and multi-core muscle. Whether you're streaming, multitasking, or running CPU-heavy games like City Skylines 2 or Total War, Warhammer 3, this chip handles it like a champ. You're getting desktop-level power in a portable form factor. On the graphics side, MSI has armed this machine with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. This isn't just for gaming. It's an absolute weapon for ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and AI-enhanced graphics. Expect fluid gameplay at ultra settings in most AAA titles at 1440p resolution, and seamless rendering in creative applications like Blender, Adobe Premiere, or Unreal Engine. The RTX 5070 also supports AV1 encoding, making this an excellent choice for streamers and content creators on the move. Now let's talk display, and this is where the Katana 17 truly shines. You get a massive 17.3-inch QHD screen with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and an ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate. This is a dream for competitive gamers who want buttery-smooth motion and zero ghosting, especially in first-person shooters like Valorant, Apex Legends, or Counter-Strike 2. And with 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, creatives will appreciate accurate and vivid color reproduction for design or editing work. Inside, you'll find 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which future-proofs this machine for demanding workflows and next-gen games. It also has a 1TB NVMe PCIe SSD, which not only gives you lightning-fast boot times, but enough space to store large game libraries, media files, or project folders without compromise. Connectivity is equally impressive. The Katana 17 includes multiple high-speed USB 3.2 ports, including one with DisplayPort support and Power Delivery 3.0. Ideal for charging peripherals or connecting to an external monitor. You also get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring ultra-fast wireless speeds and stable connections. Design-wise, the Katana doesn't scream for attention. It balances sleekness with aggression, offering a solid black chassis accented by a 4-zone RGB keyboard. You can fully customize the lighting to match your setup or mood. And the cooling system? It's efficient and quiet, so you won't be throttling performance during long gaming marathons. On the software side, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, giving you the latest interface, gaming features like auto, HDR, and direct storage, and better overall system management. To wrap it up, the MSI Katana 17HX is built for those who demand raw power, premium visuals, and versatile functionality, all in one package. Whether you're gaming, creating, streaming, or just pushing your laptop to the limit, this machine won't back down. If you're ready to elevate your gameplay or productivity to the next level, the Katana 17 deserves a serious spot on your radar.